Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Marshall. Welcome back. I'm super excited that you are here today, and I can't wait to have fun with you. We have an exciting activity planned today. I need for you to get a box of some kind. You can even do this with a piece of cardboard or a piece of paper. I'm going to show you what I used. I went and got a cereal box out of my recycling, and I cut it so that I only see the front side of it. And I'm going to show you how to prepare for this activity. This is something that you will want a grown-up to help you with the first time. And then after this, you will be able to do this on your own. You will also need a piece of yarn, and I did add a little bit of tape to the end of the yarn. And I also used a hole puncher. And if you don't have a hole puncher, you probably could use another household item to make hole punches in the side of the box. And what I did was I actually took my box and took my hole puncher and slid the hole punch, and I just made holes down the side, just like this. Now, in the beginning, boys and girls, you actually are going to need a family member to help you with this. But pretty soon, your hands are going to be so big and strong that you're actually going to be able to use the hole puncher while a grown-up watches you to make sure that it's safe. But you will have the strength in your hands from where you've been working so hard to do that on your own. Okay. Now, actually what I did after I cut the box, there was another side of this box that I cut as well. I drew a circle. I just grabbed a container from the kitchen and traced it and went ahead and punched the holes out along this side. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the yarn. If you don't have yarn, you can use a shoestring, maybe out of an old shoe, because they already have that hard plastic at the end. Some of them do, and that makes it a lot easier to weave. Now, what you're going to want to do, boys and girls, is you're going to want to use your pinchers. See how Miss Marshall is holding the yarn with her pinchers? You're going to want to hold with your pinchers, and you're actually going to put the yarn through the hole. So watch how I'm going to do this. I'm going to put the yarn through the hole, and when I do, see how it comes out on the other side? I'm going to grab it with my pinchers again, and I'm going to pull it out. And then I'm going to keep holding with my pinchers, and I'm going to put it in the hole next to it. You can see for the side angle of me doing it like this, and pull all the way through. And then I'm just going to keep weaving with my pinchers, back and forth, back and forth. Now, they do have parents, if you're watching this with your child, they do have shapes that you can buy at some stores that already have it cut out, but they work just as well as just grabbing a cracker box or a cereal box from your recycling or something a household item that you finish, and just punching some holes in it, grabbing some yarn and some tape. It works just the same. And we're just going to continue to weave in and out, in and out, in and out, until we get all the way back to the hole where we started. And just like that, your circle is complete. Now, boys and girls, the best part of this is that you can take the string back out so that you can practice this several times. This isn't an activity that you just do one time and then you never use it again. Say you want to take the other part of the box and you want to make a heart, or you want to make a triangle. You could do that and you would have several shapes to practice. When I pull the string out, I'm just going to pull on the side and pull. Now, sometimes it does snag right here when you get to the tape, but that's okay because you have big, strong pinchers now that you can pull it through. When it snags, take your pinchers, grab it, pinch, and pull it through. And then this can be an activity that you use over and over and over again. And you just keep pulling through until it is completely done, and then you can weave it back through as many times as you like. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for joining me. Let's say goodbye. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Strong pinchers, just like the crabs in the ocean. I'll see you next time.